Alright, try ears along with part 2. Oh. Okay, they only 3 minutes, you know. This one is emergency is over. Yeah, this one is emergency. What is it called? Well, it makes me laugh. What? Damn. Oh my gosh. They all freaking it. The next one is extreme lighting, door guard. And then this one is insane instant and painting escapes. Okay. Do not leave you, but Blizzard. Yeah, remember this one. This one is with Sailor. You know what I'm saying? Go. That sounds like a demon coming down. What's it called? Scary enemies? Oh, it's a dead whistle. Okay. This one is. Oh, that's Silver Joy. I remember it. You know. It looked like a personal scare. It sounded like a turkey or something, but I don't know why. It earthquake one is so scary. Look there. You need to put fire alarm. You need to, if there's a fire in your area, you need to like yes. Wait, this one. Why is it sick information now? Delta 60K. I don't know why this Google. So many demons. Why sound like a falling? I was falling like that. Oh, it's a candy. Oh, okay. That sounds like a electronic sign like a annoying Android phone. You know what I'm saying? Did you know my account is ES Alarm is scary ones? Yeah. Oh, drone attack. Oh, I remember. There's an answer. A drone attack. Fear level 30. Let me watch this. It's called Wi-Fi information. The country. Hello. Oh. Oh my god. Yo, this is tornado is so scary. Look at that. I remember this tornado. Okay, this one is. Why is it okay? Cold War, Civic Side, Thunderbolt, 100. The storm. Series thunderstorm. Okay, let me see this. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. But like fear level 47. Oh my god. Service thunderstorm. It's in like 48 like this. No, never say services. Okay. Oh, you can. Oh my god, this is seen like a couple of minutes. Oh, I remember this is Poland. Right? That look like air right side. Wait, let me wait. I'm busy. Wait, I'm back, guys. I'm back.